Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD, the LTZ package and 4x4. That diesel engine is just sounding fantastic, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. That's the Duramax engine. Also has an Allison transmission. Also has a power sliding back window and a folding bed cover, plastic bed liner. So it does have the steps in the bumper, also the receiver right there for the tow package. The lift and off-road tires. Fog lights up front. You see that it does have stirrup style running boards. These seats fold up and can stow under here. Well, the seats don't stow, but they create stowage space right there. See that they are leather seats. Go ahead and give you a shot of this VIN right here, and I will upload some still photos as well. See, it does have a Bose sound system. 2 driver presets. Down here, here's your 2- and 4-wheel drive. Okay, and then here's our trip computer toggle and cruise control, also heated steering wheel. Okay, and as we look down here, I'll go ahead and turn it off, run it through a cold cycle. You see that it does have 47,375 miles on this vehicle. There we go. As I mentioned, here's your heated steering wheel. There's your ignition and your key fob. You see that you also have heated front seats. As you come down here, you have your comfort controls, your disc drive, and then you bounce back home and you can select your navigation, your backup camera, or your stereo.
Messages among TNC and privacy policy found.
And that sounds good. And then you can also have your vehicle do texting for you, and then your phone calling through Bluetooth. You come over here and you've got your glove compartments, and the center armrest does fold up so that it'll seat 6, which is the configuration we've chosen right now. And then up here you've got your map reading light and also your sunglasses holder. Okay, and turn those down so that we don't kill our battery when it's off. And that about wraps it up for the Chevrolet on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here in the front and center, and that accident also resulted in a little bit of damage here in the rear in the center. The airbag's not deployed, there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.